After receiving the manual blinds, you will find the following components in the package: the blind fabric, the headrail mounting brackets, the lock clasps, the lifting cord, screws. Take out the headrail mounting bracket and locate the larger headpiece with the lifting cord slot. Insert one end of the lift cord into the slot first, then press and rotate to secure it in place. Pull the lift cord straight and secure both ends together using the lock clasp. Slide off the rear cover on the lift cord side and remove the headpiece. Repeat the same process for the other end to remove the tailpiece. Lift cord bracket. Determine the bracket positions based on the finished blind dimensions. Secure one end first. You may choose either exterior or interior mounting. If it's a left side lift cord design, take the left bracket and fix it to the designated point. First, secure the bracket on the lifting cord side. Measure and fix the tail end bracket. First, snap the tail end cover into place. Then install the front headpiece cover. Note: ensure the lock clasp is facing the correct direction. Right side lift cord, lock clasp faces backwards, same side as the fabric. Insert the axle into the rolling tube. Then feed the complete blind assembly into the lifting cord end first. Insert the tail end axle into the mounting bracket. The manual blind installation is now complete. If the blind gets stuck on the lock clasp when rolling up, measure the desired lowering length. Remove the lifting cord from the groove and right-insert it. Ensure the lift cord runs smoothly within the pull. If the length is insufficient, repeat the adjustment until satisfactory.